Hey guys, I just want to do a quick unboxing of the FabFitFun Winter 2018 box. I had a request from somebody, so real quick, hopefully this video won't run too long, but I'm going to show you what is in it. I guess the first item is going to be a Moroccan Graham Colorblock throw. It looks like this. I mean, it's a really big throw. And this one actually retails for $49. So there's that. And you could have got the gray and ivory or the natural and ivory color. And yeah, that was $49. And next, guys, let's see. I got this Moroccan Gold Series treatment mask. And it's actually a hair treatment mask. Because at first I was like, is this for my face or my skin? But it's actually a hair mask, and it's for intense care for dry and damaged hair. So that's great, especially me coloring my hair a lot lately. This would be a great way to repair the damaging effects. And that one actually retails for, let's see, I have my little book, for $49. So there's that. Oh, and by the way, I should have mentioned in the beginning, but FabFitFun, their boxes usually retail between, what is it, $290 to $335 of retail valued products, but it's $50 per season. So you pay $50 and you get like $300 worth of items. So that's pretty cool. The next item I got was the Sherrie Matthews Acupuncture Jade Stone Roller. And let me grab that real quick, guys. Hey, I'm sorry if I keep like looking up. My camera lens is like over here, but I keep looking over there. So disregard that, guys. I'll get used to it. So next, we get the Jade roller out so I can show y'all. Let's see. So let's see, we have, I would say hi to Nola's little bear in the back. But we have this. Here's the Acupuncture Jade Roller by Sherrie Matthews. And this one actually retails for $45. Okay, so next we have the Bite Beauty lipstick in the color Meringue. And I'm actually excited about this one because I have a sample size of Bite Beauty's lipstick in another color. I can't remember the name, but the color is perfect, guys. Like, and I'm excited about this one. Gotta show you the color. Hold on. Okay, so here it is. This is what it looks like. It's really pretty. Let me see if it'll focus. So there's that. Can't really, there it is. And this is in the color Meringue. So super cute, guys. And the packaging, gotta appreciate this packaging. This matte packaging, super nice. I really like that. And the Bite Beauty lipstick retails for $26. Okay, so next we have the Way of Well Elevate Essential Oil Set Sweet Orange and Eucalyptus Oil. And let me get that for you. And guys, hold on. So gotta grab some stuff. Okay. This retails for $31. And this packaging's super cute. Look. Cute. Super cute. Okay. And let me just grab out one of the little bottles. This is eucalyptus. The essential oil for eucalyptus. And I believe, what was it? Eucalyptus is to help with cold symptoms. And what was the other one? It's on here. Let me see. Oh, and sore muscles. And the other one is sweet orange, which helps ease stomach cramps and headaches. So I'm actually gonna be trying that out. And this one's actually pretty cool because, you know, essential oils, a lot of people use them for like diffusers and scents for aromatherapy. But this one you can actually put directly on your skin. So that's actually a cool change. I feel like you can get more use out of it for your money. So you can use it in a diffuser and on your skin. So that's pretty cool. Okay. And did I tell you that retails for $31? So next we have the Thrive Causemetics Brilliant Eye Brightner. So this is pretty much a highlighting stick by the brand Thrive. And it's in the color Stella. It's actually pretty nice packaging and everything. I mean, great quality. Can't complain. So it looks like. And that's what it looks like opened. There it is. And I've never been a huge highlighting fan of my, when I do my makeup and stuff. Don't get me wrong, I love me makeup, but for some reason highlighter, I always feel like I'm gonna be like Rudolph. I see girls like be overdoing the highlighter, nose be shiny and their cheeks be all crazy looking. I don't know, maybe some people enjoy it like that. I don't. I'm not a huge fan of that. I already have oily skin. I don't want to look oilier than I do. But with that highlighting stick, I'll probably use it for like the corner of my eye to make my eyes pop if I'm doing like a dramatic eye makeup one day and I really want my eyes to look wider, bigger, I'll probably use it for that. But that retails for $24. So next we have the Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. And I actually have the Ahava hand lotion. Great quality, not gonna lie. And that one was a bigger bottle. This is a smaller bottle, but this is a cream mask. So you actually only use it like 1-2 times a week. And you put it on your face as a mask, 3 to 5 minutes a night, or you can use it as a night cream, it says. And you can wash it off in the morning. So that's pretty cool. Cream mask. And let's see, and this one retails for $33. $33, guys. Okay, the last thing I have is this, I think it's called Black. And these are eye masks. So it's kind of cool. Eye mask, it's hyaluronic acid. And let's see what the little description says. It says, this is your under eye area, or is your under eye area puffier, swollen, detox and depuff with this activated charcoal eye mask for a refreshed look. And this one retails for $29. So good. So I think that's it, guys. I got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 products in my FabFitFun winter box. And mine came out to like a total of like $300 that I got and paid $50 for. Totally worth it. I actually do use these items. It's not like I just put them away and be like, oh, that was a waste of money. End up only using 1 or 2 items. My fall box I got back in September. I use pretty much every item from that box every day except my like tea diffuser. But I mean, I don't have loose leaf tea every day, maybe like once a week. But I mean, I get the use out of it. It's totally worth it, guys. I would invest in getting products from FabFitFun. And I guess that's all I have to say about that, guys. I just wanted to show you real quick. And I hope you all have a happy holidays. Oh, real quick. 2 more days to enter in my Willful Wayward 12 Days of Vlogmas giveaway. I'm giving away some Tarte cosmetic products and some other fun goodies. Y'all have till December 13th to enter. The winner will be announced on December 15th, so just keep an eye out. Please do enter. Go to my website, check it out. Who doesn't want free things, guys? Totally check it out. So have a happy holiday. If I don't see you again, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year, and keep smiling, guys. Have a good day. Bye.